Hydrogen is named as a color based on its production process. Often you'll hear it referred to as gray, blue, or green. Green hydrogen is a key enabler in the decarbonization of many industries. It has zero carbon emissions at point of use, and when produced with renewable electricity, it's completely green from production to point of use. Almost all hydrogen produced today is gray hydrogen, representing approximately 70 million tons a year, and is primarily used in industrial applications. This hydrogen is produced by steam methane reforming, utilizing significant amounts of power through the use of natural gas. Blue hydrogen represents 1% of global production and is essentially gray hydrogen, where the CO2 created in production is sequestered underground, generally in old gas fields. Green hydrogen is the cleanest hydrogen option. It uses electrolyzer systems to turn hydro, wind, or solar power into hydrogen with zero CO2 emissions at point of production and at point of use. Green hydrogen may only represent 1% of hydrogen production today, but is the future of hydrogen production. Electrolyzers enable the storage of dedicated or excess energy from wind, solar, or hydropower, which might otherwise be sold off to the market at a financial loss or not used at all. Instead, this renewable energy can power electrolyzers that produce green hydrogen, which can be used in fuel cell applications as a supplement to natural gas systems or for industrial or manufacturing purposes. Electrolyzers are the key technology that enables green hydrogen production, and Cummins is a global leader in electrolyzer manufacturing. In January 2021, Air Liquide inaugurated the largest proton exchange membrane electrolyzer project in the world in Bécancour, Quebec, using cutting-edge electrolyzer technology supplied by Cummins. Separately, in the United States, Cummins is providing our electrolyzer systems to store renewable energy for the Douglas County Public Utility District in Washington State. It's the largest project of its kind in the U.S. Announced in May 2021, Cummins is locating one of the world's largest electrolyzer manufacturing plants in Spain to open in 2023. Additionally, a 230-megawatt green hydrogen production project is also planned in Spain. This project will become the next benchmark for large electrolysis projects globally. With the use of electrolyzer systems, power producers are now able to fully harness their renewable electricity production. Let's talk about the future. Let's talk about hydrogen.